Hello friends, welcome to our channel Arinje Ki Masti. So you can see what is on my table today. Yeah, it's totally new product, new in India. This is of Oran's company, O Rice Cracker. If you remember, I had given review earlier also on Oran's company's product that was Choco Pie. So Oran is basically a Korean company and India they are available with three products. One is Choco Pie, second one is this one O Rice Cracker and third one is Custards. So there are three products in India they are available with and Choco Pie already I had given review. If you want to see you can check my older videos and you will find Choco Pie review over there. And this one is O Rice Cracker and this is made out of rice and I'm also first time going to taste it, so we'll check together that how does it taste and how does it look. So before that I'll show you what it is made out of and how many packs are there in it, what is the cost. So you can see first thing it's a 100% veg product, so it's suitable for vegetarian. MRP is 140 rupees. Oran's company O Rice Cracker, it's 100% baked, not fried. This is very important. It is not fried, it is 100% baked. That means it's healthy, it's healthier than other snacks available in the markets. And there are 14 individual packs inside this particular pack, so it is the bigger pack or you can call it family pack, and there are 14 individual packs are available inside this pack. And you can see one picture over here, that is two pieces written over here. So two pieces into 14 individual packs, that means in one individual pack there are two pieces inside that particular pack. So when we will open it, we will unwrap it, we will see how does it look. And the weight of this particular pack is 151.2 gram. And you can see there are no preservatives, trans fat free. So this product doesn't have any preservative. And second very important thing is it's trans fat free. And one more thing it is mentioned over here, like little sweet, little salty. So we will taste it and then we'll let you know how does it taste. And other information is written over here like nutritional facts. So it is already mentioned there that it's trans fat free plus cholesterol free, and other things are written. Protein is 4.96 gram, and the protein over here is a plant protein. And other details like ingredients is mentioned over here. And this particular product is not manufactured in India, it is imported and manufacturing is done in Vietnam. So manufacturing detail is written also over here. You can check that it's manufactured in Vietnam. And the shelf life of this particular product is 9 months. It's also written over here, best before 9 months from manufacture, and imported and marketed by Oran International Private Limited. So MRP I already told you, 140 rupees is the MRP, shelf life is 9 months. And one important thing I'm gonna tell you, so you can see one sign over here, it's a sign of recycle. So this pack is recyclable. So in India also many companies are getting conscious towards our nature. So they are using the packs which are sustainable to the environment. So let's unpack it and see how does it look. So here is a sign from where we can open it, we can unwrap it. So let's see. Ooh. Yeah, see, I told you there are 14 packs. So these are 14 packs, 14 individual packs are there, and these are very light, very light. And these individual packs are not for retail sale. You have to buy this pack only to eat it. So this particular pack you will not find anywhere in retail. So you have to buy the whole pack. So let's open it. Weight of one particular pack is 10.8 gram and 100% baked, not fried. So let's see. Oh, this is how it looks. So I told you there are two pieces inside one individual pack. So it's little salty and little sweet. So let's taste it and I'll let you know how does it taste. Interesting, very different. It's very different actually. Nothing like this is available in the market. So first time I'm eating this kind of product. I can't explain you how does it taste, but it's like a little sweet, little salty. The way they said, it's true. Like it's very interesting and very light. And I had 2-3 bites of this particular rice cracker, but it's like I had nothing yet. So let me eat the whole one and let's see. now I am feeling that I have something, and it's very tasty actually, and I want to have this one also. So nice one, very nice, very tasty, interesting one. Very different. Nothing like this is available in the market, so must try product. I actually literally I love the taste of this particular product, and surely I'm going to buy it again. Overall, I love the taste, I like the product, and I'm gonna recommend this product to all my friends. So that's all, and I'm sure there are many people who gonna buy it after seeing this video. And so go and buy this product. You can buy it from all online platforms. This is available in big basket from where I bought it. I don't know where in other platforms it is available yet or not, because it's very new product in India. So go check it out and try it once, and definitely you're gonna love it. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.